I'm gonna replace my morning cup of coffee for the next 7 days with this stuff. This is mud water. I'm sure if you have any form of social media, you've seen this guy before.
What the f is in your mug? And I would just tell them, it's mud.
For the past couple of years, I got into the habit of drinking a cup of coffee every single morning to start my day. And I do like it. It makes me feel good in the morning. My workouts are good. My work is productive. But right around midday, like 12, 1, 2 o'clock, I begin to get really, really tired. So I picked up this mud water mushroom powder. They say it reduces crashes, it reduces jitters, and overall it makes you feel more mentally clear, and all of these crazy claims. So that's exactly why I bought this stuff. I paid $40 for this can of powdered mushrooms. And I want to give you my absolute honest opinion. They didn't send this to me. I bought it completely with my own money. Oof. It smells pretty funky. It smells like chocolate, turmeric, and cinnamon powder, which are some ingredients in there, so that's pretty cool. All right, the way you drink it is you take a cup of water and you put a tablespoon in it, and then they do send you this handy dandy milk frother. So it does kind of look like coffee / chocolate milk, and we're just gonna do a live taste test, and I'll give you my honest opinion if it tastes good or bad. Oof, smells interesting. Excuse me. So it tastes kind of powdery and chalky. There's no real taste. If anything, it just tastes like a healthy powder. It's not good, it's not bad. It's like slight notes of like bad chocolate milk. That's kind of cool that it doesn't have a strong taste. It doesn't taste bad, so it's honestly really easy to drink. So the goal here is to drink this over the next 7 days and replace my morning cup of coffee with this and see how I feel throughout the rest of the day. If it's a genuine replacement to coffee, I'll be pretty happy because I don't like to rely and stay addicted to things like coffee. And I've seen people who drink coffee for years and years and years and they don't have a cup of coffee and then they freaking literally can't function. So I don't want to turn into that person. Hopefully this is a healthy alternative. So let's let the next 7 days go by and we'll report day by day and see how we feel. All right, so it's end of day 1. I'm about to walk out of the office, and how do I feel? I feel pretty tired. It is 6 o'clock already. So I've been here since 10 to 6, long day. Head kind of hurts, but I will say I've had a pretty decent day. But this is only day 1, so let's see how the next 6 days go. I'll keep you guys posted.
Day 2 is business like usual. Woke up in the morning, and instead of this morning coffee, I prepared my mud water. Hey guys, update for day number 2. It's 1:30 and I'm dragging ass. I feel like I need a coffee right about now. Did my morning thing, worked at Starbucks, drank the mud water, and I felt good. Went to the bathroom normal, went to the gym, had a good workout. It is Friday, so who knows, maybe I'm just itching to get to the weekend and stop working for a little bit, but it is about 1:30. I had it about 7:30, and I am dragging a little bit of ass and feel pretty tired. So on a coffee, but I'm just gonna push through it. That's just a quick update for day 2. See you tomorrow. All right, well, something kind of happened. The challenge stopped. Basically, the stuff just doesn't do what coffee does. Let me explain that. So when you drink a cup of coffee in the morning, immediately after you feel that kick, you feel that jump, that surge of energy, like you're ready to take on the day and you feel good. This mud water stuff just doesn't do that. You drink it and it's like just drinking a normal hot cup of water. Nothing really happens. You don't get a good surge of energy through your body. It's not useful if you're going to go do a workout, etc., etc. Not saying that it's a bad product, but I think their claims as replacing coffee and it being a coffee type drink, it just doesn't compare. Now, ultimately, what this video was about was, can mud water make me more productive? And I will say it probably failed in that aspect. In the morning, when I drink a cup of coffee and I'm working at Starbucks, etc., I get at least 2 hours of really, really productive work. Whereas the mud water stuff, I drank it and I was just working like normal. I didn't feel like I was at a heightened state, which is what coffee does with that little kick of caffeine. So will I say, did it make me more productive? Did it make me feel better? No, I really don't think so, because the coffee does give you that boost that you need to get shit done in a very productive way. That's why I love coffee and it gives me that kick. Not saying that I'm an addict, but mud water just doesn't do the same thing. And that was the whole point of this video. Final thoughts, does it work? Mud water or coffee? I will choose coffee 9.5 times out of 10 every single morning. Mud water has its time and place, but it's just not in the morning to replace your cup of coffee. Guys, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.